missing lobbying overnight. The European army captioned dripping with coke. Suddenly it's chat only from Hammond to Scope. Land drop the bomb, you're where the diversity go. Every reply guy smirks, shh, this is Greenland, you know. Madman meme seals the deal, I'm wide. Case closed tight, I just solved migration in one fell swoop. Floods drowning us, moral debt through the roof. Think tanks, government panels denying the truth. Blood in some brain, lightning cracks the evening sky. What if we just sent the golem somewhere to die? Send them to Greenland, kill two birds in the snow. Proxy Browns versus Proxy Browns. Watch the body count grow. Tune 1, Tundra 0, brain cells required. Humanitarian law, the optics and wire. Soil for Greenland, that's the vibe tonight. Just don't zoom in too close, we'll kill them away. America's browner than ever, the numbers don't lie. Demographic steamroller waving EU goodbye. Europe's own imports wired a bit more feral. Those dudes fight dirty, perfect proxy material. Lebanon's flowing, Somalis hand them parkas and guns. NATO stitches the logo, committee says this is for fun. Who takes the ice sheet? Who bleeds out first? We're debated on stream from ergonomic chairs. Statistical cast. Proxy Browns on permafrost. What's the worst that can happen if it flops? Play messaging and drop a new weapon. Record scratch. Here's the gut punch nobody wanted to type. Greenland's locals already brown, living the life. No Vikings, no Anons, no thread posting kings. Just Inuit watching clowns losing their thing. We chest thump ancestral claims to frozen rock and dirt, while our own neighborhoods look like post-replacement herd. Global minority, pale faces fading fast. 10% white world and we're fighting for life at last. What the hell are we doing? Guarding Tundra memes while replacement keeps brewing. National pride piped in via satellite stream. Identity cosplay with rifles and memes. A shark stacked on absurd, each layer more retarded. Every take dumber than the last one we started. All this blood and soil theater for land we don't use, while Greenland's just staring like bros, you confused. Congrats, you're terminally online.